Door News presents
Phoenix in the sun and an unidentified flying celestial bird. Alright, so first it looks like we have a phoenix growing in the sun, and then second, we have something that looks like a flying celestial bird, complete with flapping wings. I don't know, people will say maybe it's Mercury. Well, when did Mercury start flapping its wings? Mercury looks like this, last we've been told. So if you notice on the Core 2 ahead camera, beams of light coming out of the sun have been making the form of what would look like a phoenix. Or look like a fiery bird to me. And from what I've been told by the internet, there are Chinese, Japanese, Russian, Egyptian, and Native American counterparts of the phoenix. Not to mention Hogwarts. All of the birds were identified with the sun. The mythical phoenix rising, bird that never dies. Looks like a phoenix. Right. It's flapping its wings. See them go up, see them go down. Interference before wings go up, the wings go down. I don't think it's Mercury, but it's flapping its freaking wings. I think NASA has a sense of humor. So maybe they put this in here. Or almost all the ancient religions are right in associating the sun with the phoenix, and that there are many things in this universe we don't even begin to comprehend. Though I don't think science or religion will admit that. God bless everyone. What is that? It's not Mercury, it's not Venus. It's flapping its wings. It's like they go up, they go down. Looks like a bird, dude. It's in space, and it's a bird. It's a space bird. Celestial bird. Call me crazy. Call me what you want. That's exactly what it looks like. Is it just a coincidence that the last month it looks like a phoenix has been growing out of the sun? I do believe the Mayans had associated Quetzalcoatl, also a phoenix. Quetzalcoatl, 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 Quetzalcoatl. The phoenix flies far ahead to the front, always scanning the landscape and distant space. It represents our capacity for vision, for collecting sensory information about our environment and the events unfolding within it. Phoenix, with its great beauty, creates intense excitement and deathless inspiration. That was from the Feng Shui handbook by Feng Shui master Lam Kam Chuan. The Egyptians, you remember them? Their phoenix was called the Bennu. The Bennu was a symbol of the rising and setting sun. Bennu was also the lord of the royal jubilee. Jubilee meant great forgiveness. Are there any debts or sins that humanity might need forgiven? The Egyptian phoenix was also associated with creation. Bennu is usually associated above the tree of life, with scorpions and snakes attacking it. The Arabians had a phoenix too. The young phoenix would gather the ashes of its predecessor into an egg of mirth, take it to Heliopolis, the city of the sun, to deposit it on the altar of the sun god. It was a symbolic representation of death and rebirth of the sun. But science says our sun will not die for approximately 4.5 billion years. They're science, so they know everything. The Chinese had a myth for the phoenix too. It was a symbol of virtue and grace, power and prosperity. It represented the union of the yin and the yang. It was thought to be a gentle creature, gentle that it crushed nothing and ate only dewdrops. It was a symbol of the empress. Chinese empresses are hot. Only the empress could wear the phoenix symbol. Phoenix represented power sent from heaven. They thought fought snakes. The Japanese call it the huu. The huu is depicted as nesting in a tree and thought only to appear at the birth of a virtuous ruler, and was said to mark a new era by descending from the heavens to do good deeds for people only to return to its celestial abode to wait a new era. In other traditions, the Hu appears only in peaceful and prosperous times, which are rare indeed. It is supposed to represent the sun, justice, fidelity, and obedience. Everybody loves the sun. And then there's always Phoenix from the X-Men. Super hot, super smart, super powerful, turns dark Phoenix, destroys the world. But look, you can see it flapping its wings, flying. So you got a Phoenix coming out of the sun. You can see its wings popping from the right and left, the head, the tail. Now the sun has been acting a bit wacky with its dark explosions. Alright, I know I'm talking about other religions, but don't spaz your pants, Christians. We adopted it as a symbol in early Christianity. A creature that rises from the ashes, more beautiful, more magical than it was before. Heck, Wikipedia even says that in historical record, the phoenix could symbolize renewal in general, as well as the sun, time, the empire, metamorphosis, consecration, resurrection, life in heavenly paradise, Christ, buried, virginity, the exceptional man. The exceptional man. Woo! So Phoenix seems to be the theme here. Birds rising. Is it gonna be a cool ass Phoenix to bring peace, prosperity, a new leader? Something great for everybody? New world of magnificence? Or is it gonna be dark like Phoenix from the X-Men? Fuck everything up, kill a lot of people, cause a lot of misery and pain, cause she's a crazy bitch. I don't know, but we will stay tuned, cause that's what we do. Yabba dabba, stay tuned. 2013 is as strange as I've ever seen. Crazy, I know. But explain to me, what the F is this thingy? Flapping its wings in outer space. And I'm not saying it's a scientific fact that there's a phoenix in the sun right now, but it sure looks like it. Just because you can explain everything in your words and semantics doesn't mean it holds true across all realities in the universe.